Guys, behind me are 16 desktop simulators for general aviation aircraft going to a really awesome client of ours called the WCPS Impact Learning Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Which is essentially the most badass school that we've ever heard of because they've got flight simulators, they're gonna have drones, they're gonna have robotics programs, medical simulators like for surgery and stuff like that.
She has heart attacks and seizures. So what happens is...
She's 150 grand?
Yeah. She's not the most advanced one. He's back there.
She's gotta go.
Nursing students in there.
Yeah.
Then they simulate her to go into labor. We have 7 different types of simulators. She's just one of them. She goes into labor. Nursing students have to deliver the baby. It's all being filmed into this room where the class is watching it, and they debrief afterwards. We have this thing too. It's pretty cool. I don't know why we have it. That's one of those things you like.
Whoa,
The vein finder.
What?
You can find your veins. Check it out.
You probably see Red Bull in mine.
Here's his pulse ox. You can take his pulse ox.
Is he realistic weight or is he heavy?
Realistic weight.
Yeah.
He's he feels real too. He has you can do veins, IVs. You can feel his veins here.
Very, very cool school, so check them out. This is not the only part of the order. So while you see really cool desktop sims that we're gonna go over, they're also getting 6 3DOF simulators that are gonna be similar equipment, and then 2 really badass 6DOF simulators. They're gonna be the Cirrus SR22 with the CAPS module. You've seen them before, but all of them together will make for probably the best school year that these students are about to step into on August 12th. So to go over what we've got here, we've got the 32-inch AOCs. We've got the premium G1000s from Real Sim Gear, meaning that they've got the aluminum kind of headers here, which is nice. The buttons feel so good, just like the OEM. All the rotary encoders and dials feel so good. We've got the honeycomb yoke and the throttle in the general aviation setup currently. So you've got, you know, your throttle and mixture. We're gonna have rudder pedals, but they're gonna be fixed to the ground, so we just don't have them set up right now. What's cool about the honeycomb throttle is that you can easily change from the GA to an airliner setup. These knobs pull off, you push them on. They've got these little rubber covers that you pull off, and you can add certain things depending on what type of aircraft that you want to fly, which is really cool. So it's a perfect setup for the students in volume to be able to just get familiar with flying, right? So they can get to learn modern glass avionics. They'll be able to learn all the different procedures and even stuff like the air traffic control, comms, stuff like that. And they're all the same. Now, the coolest part of this project that we'll drop on another video is that we built in-house an instructor station so that the teacher can command all of the sims to go to the same airport and the same aircraft following the AOPA curriculum. So that's gonna be the curriculum that they're gonna be operating from. And so say 9th grade lesson 1, they're gonna go do an air tour of France or something like that. He can literally just push a button and command all these sims to load in, same airport, same weather. He can send engine failures to a specific sim, or a specific group of sims. So for instance, he could command something just of the 3 DOF systems, or just of the 6 DOF systems, just of the desktop systems. And then the coolest part about it for them is that they can track all of the data for all of the students and how many hours each student is logging. So more on that. I wanted to give you this overview. I mean, look, there are so many stinking sims here. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Now, they're not turned on right now because the PCs are already at the client's facility. And tomorrow we get to go bring these to them in Bowling Green. So not too far from Nashville, about an hour drive. And we'll be able to drop some of that B-roll in this video. So if you're looking for racing sims, flight sims, or kind of anything in between, we can build it. Go to podiumonracing.com and we'll see you on the next one.